Okay, next let's look at example 6. A potential difference of 8 volt is supplied across 20 degrees Celsius iron wire with uniform cross-sectional area of 0.08 millimeter square and length 0.5 meter. Okay, so let's list down the value. Okay, so dia bagi V, potential difference, 8 volt, temperature 20 degree, the area in millimeter square, and the length 0.5 meter. Okay, determine the resistivity of the iron wire if the electric current flowing through the metal is 1.2 ampere. Okay, so dia minta resistivity. Ini adalah previous subtopic actually. Dia gabung sekali lah. So kita mau kira given the I, we want to calculate resistivity. Okay, which is equal to RA divided by the length. Okay, so area ada, length ada, but we don't have resistance, but we are given I and also we are given V. So kita boleh kira resistor dahulu. Okay, di mana resistor is using the Ohm's law, is equal to VIR. So V is 8 volt, I 1.2. So you get resistance equal to 6.67 ohm. And then barulah masukkan dekat sini area. Okay, you need to convert notice here it's in millimeter square. So millimeter is exponent negative 3. Lepas tu kita square kan, dia akan jadi exponent negative 6 divided by the length. Then kamu akan dapat, okay, masing-masing tekan calculator, 1.07 exponent negative 6, and unit for resistivity will be ohm meter. Okay, next one. After leaving the circuit closed for an hour, it was found that the current decreases by 0.001 ampere. Determine the change in the temperature of the iron given that the temperature coefficient is 0.005. Okay, so the current is now decreased by 0.001. Okay, maksudnya current tu sudah berkurang sebanyak, okay, 0.01 daripada asal. Asalnya 1.2, dia kurang sebanyak ni, maksudnya kita kena tolak. Okay, so notice here dia gunakan perkataan by, okay, bukan to. Okay, dia membawa dua maksud yang berbeza. If it decrease to, maksud ini final kita. If it decrease by, kita perlu tolak. Okay, so final current kita adalah let's list down first. So I initial, I'll put that as I naught, and then I final. Okay, selepas dia sudah tolak 2.2 tolak 0.001, so 1.199 ampere. Now we want to calculate the change in temperature, maksudnya delta T. Okay, so this one gunakan formula untuk subtopik ni, di mana kita ada R equal to R naught 1 plus alpha T minus T naught. Okay, so T minus T naught di sini ni adalah value delta T lah yang kita mau kira tu. Okay, so delta T is what we want to calculate. Alpha dia dah bagi. R naught adalah initial resistance, yang ini. Initial resistance is when the I naught is 1.2. Now we need to find what is the final resistance. Okay, final resistance. final value for resistance when I is 1.199. So guna je formula yang sama tadi. Voltage tetap sama, voltage tidak berubah. I 1.199. So resistance will be equal to 6.67. Okay, kalau kita buat macam ni, perbezaan dia sedikit saja dengan yang di atas. So what we do is kita ambil 4.6722 ohm. Okay, because the difference is very small, it's not that significant. So ambillah 4 untuk membezakan. Okay, so 6.6722 initial 6.67 1 plus alpha. Alpha is, what is the alpha? 0.005. And then delta T. Okay, delta T is what we want to calculate lah. So delta T equal to 0.167 degrees Celsius. Okay, let me double check. Okay, so after I double check, okay, if we are using the exact value that we substitute here, okay, final answer that you get is 0.0657 degrees Celsius. Okay, sebab kalau gunakan terus value yang ini, okay, kamu terus masukkan value ke sini dan ambil semualah titik perpuluhan, dia akan berbeza. But since kita sudah gunakan 4 titik perpuluhan, so kita guna yang ini sahajalah. So the difference between the temperature is very small sebab dia punya current pun cuma berkurang sikit sahaja. Okay, so this is the final answer.